So what you'll need is mushrooms. Here I have roughly 250 grams of plain old mushrooms. I've cut them in 4s. Because some of them were larger, I cut them in 6 parts. It really depends on the mushrooms you're using. 1 medium-sized red onion, finely chopped. I didn't think this setup through. All of my ingredients are there. Of course, peas. Here I have roughly 200 grams of peas. For the seasoning, I'm going to use some chili flakes, or rather chili rings. Half a teaspoon of cumin, roughly. It depends on your taste buds preference. Don't forget pepper and salt. And for the oil, I will be using some butter. You can also add a little bit parsley at the end if you want. Let's do this. So first of all, take a pan and put it on a fire. Add a good amount of butter and let it melt. Alright, once the butter has melted, add in your mushrooms. Give them a good coating of butter and let them fry on a medium fire until they start looking golden brown. Once the mushrooms are halfway done, give them a light seasoning of salt and add in your onions. Give everything a nice stir and let it fry until your onions start looking glazy. So once the onions start looking glazy, add in your peas. Season them with cumin and chili flakes, a little bit of pepper and just a touch of salt. Give everything a nice stir and let everything fry while stirring till your peas are done. The peas were still frozen as I added them, by the way. When your dish is almost done, you can always give it a taste and adjust the seasoning to your own liking. And there you go. Now just serve it up as a side dish. Nutritious, delicious, not so healthy, but there you go.